Welcome to the SVG Contractor store page, where you'll find everything you need as a contractor to launch, grow, and scale in the now $100 billion plus roofing and storm restoration industry. Check out our SVG Product Systems. These are complete product systems, phase 1 and phase 2 sales training, accounts receivable, supplement training, contracts and forms section. These are complete product systems to help you launch, grow, and scale and get the right foundation in your company. Or you can order a la carte. If you don't want to order an entire system, check out our contracts and forms section by scrolling below, and you can get things like individual pay plans, an individual set of build contracts. Maybe you just need a contingency or service agreement. Check those out a la carte in our contracts and forms section. You can also sign up online for our SVG U Virtual Training. That's our online education platform for industry contractors and their teams just like you, where I teach you in real time in video format how to use all this stuff. Whether it's knocking a door, meeting an adjuster, writing an estimate, learning how to invoice or file liens correctly, you'll find all of that in video courses with testing inside our SVG U Virtual Training platform. You can enroll right here in the Contractor store page. Or maybe you're interested in our new SVG U Virtual Reality Goggles. Scroll down on the shop page, guys. We got a little bit of everything for anyone out there. This is where we took our top favorite courses from our virtual training, load them up into goggles. You'll find those. Or maybe you're interested in when our next conference or trade show is. Scroll down and you'll find the Win the Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo, and how you can go ahead and get your early bird tickets now, or go ahead and get your vendor table. You can also check out our SVG Affiliate Partner Network right here on this page by clicking the SVG Affiliate button and learn all the other vendors and service providers in the industry that are helping contractors just like you launch, grow, or scale in a $100 billion plus roofing or storm restoration industry. Take a look, scroll down, and if you need any help, reach out to us at 330-57-STORM.